In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to use Bonusly. So basically, on Bonusly, you'll be able to add your team and your HR from your company, and you can see the activity, you can discuss all over the things. Now, if we go to plans, we're going to be able to see that they offer three different plans, and you have to reach to them in order to get access to the demo, and after that they're going to give you pricing. Now here you have, as you can see, the total cost of ownership includes your annual Bonusly subscription plus the rewards your team redeems. So they offer flexible ways to manage reward costs, including setting budget limits, etc. Now, after you sign up and add team members via email or integration, you're gonna have to allocate monthly points to peer-to-peer recognition. Give bonuses by tagging teammates with reasons and hashtags, and then they can redeem more rewards or track engagement in the admin dashboard. So basically, that's all you have to know about Bonusly. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.